To use an Eastwest Bank virtual credit card, follow these steps. Activate the card. Log into your Eastwest Bank online banking account and activate your virtual credit card if it's not already activated. Access the virtual card details. Retrieve the virtual card details provided by Eastwest Bank. This typically includes the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Online transactions. Use the virtual card details to make online purchases or transactions. Enter the card information on the payment page of the merchant's website during checkout, similar to how you would use a physical card. Security measures. As virtual cards are primarily for online use, consider security measures like ensuring you're on secure websites when entering the card details, avoiding sharing the card information with unauthorized sources, and monitoring transactions regularly. Check for restrictions or limits. Be aware of any transaction limits, expiration dates, or specific terms associated with the virtual card provided by Eastwest Bank. Payments and statements. Track your transactions and monitor your billing statements through your Eastwest Bank online banking account.